exercise. It's called Heaven Rushing In. My name is Kelly Goetz. I'm an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm also on faculty teaching in the certification program. And in these days where we have gotten so depleted in our metal rhythm and we've lost our connection with the universe, with Source, with God, whatever it is that you call it. And to me, we are all connected. We are all one. Doesn't matter your race, your religion, or who you are. There is common ground that we can find in each and every one of us. And one of the most important things that I've seen over the years, and all the years that I've been working with people, is that we all want to be loved, we all want to be accepted, and we all want to feel that sense of fulfillment and success. And if we really talk to someone, whether we think that they are like us or not, if you really get down to the bare bones and find out and discover what you have in common, and you look for what you have in common, I guarantee not only will you find something in common, but you will end up finding and discovering that you really like and care about that person. So what we're going to do right now is called Heaven Rushing In. And I thought this would be a great thing to do to help get our metal rhythm moving and inspired and reconnect to our faith and trust that we will work through whatever is going on in the world right now. So we are going to rub our hands together. We're going to get some energy flowing and moving, and we're going to shake it off, and we're just going to put our hands on our legs. And when we have our hands on our legs, we're going to focus on grounding, connecting to the earth. And I'm feeling pretty grounded right now. So now we are going to bring our hands over our head and into prayer. And we're going to set an intention out. And that intention is going to be that the world heals, that we heal, that we rediscover and evolve and change and expand with all this new wisdom that we have garnished over the last 4 months. And so now we are going to lift our hands up and just throw that intention up into the heavens, allowing ourselves just to be filled up with the energy of the heavens. And you might notice your hands getting heavier and more filled up, and just feeling that love, that compassion, that sense of connectedness that we all come from, that we are all one, as you bring that back into your heart. And if you feel like you need more, we are going to throw our hands right back up, and we are going to call in more energy from the universe. And I'm a big one for saying infinite love and gratitude. As I said, thank you for the universe, for the earth, and for all the ways that what seems challenging right now is here for our benefit, here for our growth, and here to improve our awareness and humanity as we bring that back to our heart center. My name is Kelly Goetz. Thank you for learning with me, and I am wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day.